The Reggae Boyz have been promoted to League A of the CONCACAF Nations League and have qualified for the 2021 edition of the Gold Cup after blanking Antigua and Barbuda 2-0 at the Sir Vivian Richards Stadium in Antigua on Friday evening. As Simon Preston reports, Jamaica now joins Honduras, Canada, Grenada and the USA at the Gold Cup.
Damien Lowe thought he gave Jamaica the lead in the 11th minute, but his infringement in the box ruled off the goal. 16 minutes later, Bobby Reid had the chance to finish, but Malvin James came to the rescue for the Benna boys. The breakthrough came in minute 33 as Malik Foster gave Jamaica the 1-0 lead. Jamaica's lead was doubled in the second half thanks to Ricardo Morris, who notched his third international goal in the 58th minute. The win was Jamaica's fifth of the campaign, and it extended their run to 450 minutes without conceding a goal. Goalkeeper Amal Knight spoke about keeping another clean sheet.
We've played this tournament without conceding a goal, and I think that we wanted to keep that streak alive without conceding any goal in the tournament. So getting a clean sheet was really important. You know, this is my second game in the competition, and I've gone back-to-back clean sheets now. So I'm thankful for that. It's a big confidence booster, and I thank the coaching staff for trusting me and giving me the confidence each time I go out there to just grow and improve on my game. So getting the clean sheet was really positive for me and really positive for the team.
He also reflected on the performance of the team.
I think the team performance was not the best, but at the end of the day, we got 3 points, we got a clean sheet, and I think that there's always room for improvement. We took our foot off the pedal at times, and it allowed Antigua to get back in the game at times, and they created a few chances, and things like these we have to be mindful, because once we slip up, anything can happen. But the most important thing was getting the 3 points last night, and that was what we did. A job well done by the team. On to the next one on Monday, and hopefully we can get another victory and another clean sheet.
In the other group game on the day, Guyana defeated Aruba 4-2 to move to 9 points. The Jamaicans will end League B of the Nations League against Guyana at the Montego Bay Sports Complex on Monday. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.